I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin after the pullback. Can we get a bounce here? This is a Bitcoin 2-hour chart. We're going to go work backwards here. The number one question right now that everybody wants to know is this the bottom? Is this where Bitcoin bounces? Listen, it's real simple. If you are trying to catch the bottom, think about it. You will be wrong every single time but one. It's that simple. Those are not good odds. Like, we're not here to nail the bottom because you'll have so many losing trades based on that idea. So what I propose is that we wait for some bullish market structure to be put in place and understand that at this point, we just look for a bounce. Major reversals happen and it's going to be a different idea, right? But what you don't want to see is this major level that was lost at about 45,700. You don't want to see the price action come back up here and retest it and get rejected because you're looking at further downside, because that would be a bearish retest of this level. Do not want to see that. Can you trade this range? If you get a bounce here, you get some bounces out of altcoins, sure. But watch for a rejection about 45,000. Now, will this level hold? We don't know. But I'm going to show you an idea with the SPX that just blows my mind at the end of the video. Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So we have this trend line that has been respected. Bounce, double bottom bounce, double bottom bounce, double bottom bounce. Okay, here we are, but we're below the trend line. So what the bulls have to do for more upside is regain this resistance level, right? Retest it for continuation higher while watching out for a rejection of this level. If the Bitcoin bulls aren't able to break above it, again, 42,000, 40,000 potentially in the cards. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. I can't even tell you what it feels like to read something like this. So this gentleman, he attended Harvard and then he went on to teach for 11 years as an administrator, a teacher, a principal even. And he really just wasn't happy doing it. And he quit teaching. Harvard grad, teacher, quits working, and he starts trading full time. Now, since he joined the group, he's working on a trading crypto course for beginners in Spanish for the Salvadorian population due to the new Bitcoin laws. He said the difference in return on investment of your course versus a graduate degree at Harvard is crazy. Everybody should sign up. This person turned $3,000 to $15,000 on these Kucoin gem picks. This person, he made $10,000, almost $11,000. He started out with $1,000. He 11x'd his money, and he's only trading like these last 3 months on Kucoin. These Kucoin gem picks are insane and crazy. And we're not making a ton of money right now in this market. I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Seems like I got a train going by and a helicopter flying over at the same time. That's welcome to my world. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. And so everybody right now is looking at this idea where Bitcoin dominance broke lower and potentially you're getting a bearish retest. But I'm wondering if this trend line is valid and will be respected. But the most important thing is for altcoins to take off, we want to see this thing trend lower. Epic altcoin season. Type of bounce here, bad for altcoins, potentially Bitcoin move as well. So it wouldn't be a good scenario for altcoins if this thing trends higher. So we're paying attention to Bitcoin dominance based on this idea. This is crazy. Like for years and years and years in crypto, Everybody's like, oh, we want institutions. We can't wait for Wall Street to get in. Wait, you guys come to crypto. Wall Street, institutions, come trade with us. Come buy Bitcoin. Okay, so this orange line is Bitcoin price action. Like, look at these swings. Like, so the S&P 500 index, SPX, is the candles, right? So look at the candles and how, like, they're nailing a lot of these Bitcoin swings, right? Just like the major reversals. Look at this dump. S&P 500 traditional markets dumped, and Bitcoin did too. Now you're coming up here. If you get a bearish retest to this level, I'm looking for downside out of Bitcoin. I mean, look, it's hard to deny what we're seeing here. So watching traditional markets is crazy. It's the most insane thing. Like, we wanted this to happen. Now here we are. We're trading against the elite. Even RVN, keep an eye on this. They've got a halving in about 4.5 days. So keep an eye on RVN for a bounce. Again, on Bitcoin pullbacks, you want to buy into the strong coins. One idea is RVN. But if you don't know what you're doing, you don't really know oversold bounces and a lot of the ideas that we talk about on a regular basis. Like, I'm not saying you should throw a bunch of money at this market until you get more clarity out of Bitcoin. Mana. So Mana's in this falling wedge, and there's some news. They've got some big news with Samsung I'm about to go over in a second. But I mean, some things have to happen here. Breakout retest for this to even matter. Let's go over this news. Samsung, they just opened a store in Decentraland. That's Mana. Then read this. Samsung's 2022 smart TVs are going to support cloud gaming, video chat, and NFTs. We can't ignore what's obviously about to happen to the entire world as we know it. It's about to change. Everything is. The new internet is coming. Metaverse, NFTs, GameFi are going to be huge. You can't directly associate the price of these altcoins and Bitcoin even with its value. There's a lot of hype. This price is hype, mania, FOMO driven, and the market's very speculative. Right now, clearly, Bitcoin drags these altcoins around like rag dolls, but when the strength comes in, we're going to buy into strength and we're going to make a ton of money, period. We always do. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.